Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I trade gold based on resistance line or zone and support line or zone. So today is 28th Thursday 2021. So first things first, we'll look at yesterday's two last candlestick on time frame H4. So you draw a line, like here is in a purple color, the resistance line and the support line. Okay, and we click on the 15 minutes chart, so it looks this way. All right, so in my case I'm just looking to buy. On my setup it's only a buy thing, but based on this formation, it's actually sell, but I don't sell it yet because my target is only buy. So it's only buy. We wait for the market price to reach on the support area, all right, like this one. So in this position, this what they call this formation, it's the right time to enter a position. So let's enter one position at a time. Okay, so I buy a lot 0.2. Okay, so we leave it that way and let's see what happened later on. Okay, so we already profit on some level there and it goes back down, so I enter another position in that area also. Okay, so I enter that one. Now I have already two positions. Okay, from here it's if you're not mastering the support and resistance, you might be scared that you're going to sell. But in my case, no, because I saw a very strong support down there, so I just leave it like that. And I add one more positions. I have three positions in this trade, buy positions. So I just leave it like that, and then it's a winning trade. I leave it like that until the morning, or more or less like 6 hours after that I close. It's a winning trade, guys. So for those who are not subscribed yet, please subscribe and you can be updated in my daily trading journal. Okay, hi, if you're also interested on how I did the support and resistance line and support resistance zone, you may refer to my previous video so that you will not be confused how I did it. Okay, see you there.